Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use courses here on Semrush. Let's begin. If you are looking to learn how to use Semrush effectively, Semrush offers a variety of free courses through its Semrush Academy. But the thing is, before you can access the Semrush Academy website, you might want to log in first to your account here. If you haven't already, click the sign up button and follow the instructions. Now, once you are in the Semrush Academy website, okay, you might want to browse the available courses. Categories include a lot here: SEO, content marketing, Semrush tools. Obviously, career is not part of it. AI courses, analytics, social media, and digital marketing. All right. Now, from here, you might want to choose the course that you wanted. All right. For example, if you pick a course that matches your goals, popular options is going to be the Semrush SEO Toolkit course right here, or the content marketing, whichever you wanted. You also wanted to check if there's a PPC fundamentals, which master Semrush for pay per click campaigns, or affiliate marketing toolkit. You learn how Semrush supports affiliate marketers. Now, for example, if you want to click the start learning, all right, so let's go for the content marketing for now. Let's click that. You will be forwarded to the enroll now button. All right. You can discover industry leading content marketing courses and earn globally recognized certifications. This is very important. All right. You can learn the latest strategies from experts for a competitive edge. Matter of fact, we have a separate video on how to be an agency partners here in Semrush, and that includes having a certifications and enrolling to the Semrush Academy. Now, with that being said, I want you to click the enroll now button. All right, and again, you might want to find your ideal marketing course. If you want to become a content marketing expert, you might want to find a course here. All right, these are some of the suggestions: how to plan magnetic content strategy using Semrush, content marketing principles for business, advanced content marketing with Brian Dean. For example, we're going to be using with the content marketing principles. That's going to be 6 lessons, 1 hour, and you will have the certification. This is very important if you wanted to have a lucrative opportunities using Semrush. If you click this button right here, start learning, you would be forwarded to this one right here. All right, so what is content marketing? 1 video, 1 test. All right, what is content marketing and why it's important? 5 minutes, test your knowledge, and you just have to follow this. It's very important. All right, and then you can have the certification exam. You can test your knowledge by completing the course exam. Once you pass, you'll receive a certificate signed by the leading expert. All right, all I have to do is click on next right here. All right, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions and of course answer all these, and you would be able to use the courses here very efficiently. All right, now you have to understand the course features right here. Again, test your knowledge as you progress. You can earn a badge or certificate upon successful completion of the course. All right, so for example, we're going again to the courses. Now we're going to be looking at advertising. If you are a beginner, you need to start with a foundational courses. All right, see, for example, digital advertising 101. It covers the basics and the tools. All right, and you have to focus on finding the right strategy for that. Click on the start learning. All right, and as you progress, you go for the advanced courses. You see, you can dive deep into analyzing the competitors' digital strategies. And once you have right here, check all the courses and whatnot, all the lessons. Practice alongside the course using your Semrush account. This hands-on approach solidifies your skills. You can set up a project in Semrush and follow these steps taught in the course. All right. And again, remember that you might want to click all the Rush blog articles for like a supplemental information, and you can always use the Semrush Help Center for quick tips and troubleshooting. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.